Hey there, and thank you for clicking to watch this video. My name is Regina. If you're new here, karibu sana. This week DIY, I'm going to make myself some coasters. So I'm using 1/2 inch pine plywood. These are some of the pieces that I normally have around after a very big project. So if you don't have one, you can decide to just go buy. I recommend Kikomba. Kikomba normally sell in very small pieces, but in most hardware you will get half or quarter of the full board. Since I'm using some old plywood, I'm going to do some filler and a bit of sanding. The nini is already fine, so I don't have to sand a lot, but just for second checkup to make sure everything is okay, I'm going to do that. So I started using P20 and P0 for the fine smooth finish, and P40 just to get the rough textured out. After I was done with the first coat, I went in with the second coat and the third coat for the white part, and also sealed the whole paint with polish to make sure that even if I spill anything on the coasters, it can be easily wiped. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all the things that people do. As always, be brave, be creative, be you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.